Hey guys, welcome back and stay safe out there. In this first clip, remember not to get out of your car when it's in reverse. What's your goal?
It's payback time.
Remember to keep your eyes open out there. Sometimes people be wildin'.
What?
I think this guy's drunk. Oh. This dummy sideswipes a person and then takes off. There's a camera, buddy. You can't get away with this insurance fraud anymore. Hey, word of advice, do not tell them you have a dash cam. Even if they see it, don't tell them it was recording. Let them lie their off to the officer when they get there, and then tell the officer that you got a dash cam. Who do you think he's on the phone with? Oh my gosh, lady. Man, that wasn't even an insurance fraud. That was just a bad driver. Hit and run.
Right here, man.
Good job.
Alright guys, remember, some things are not worth it. I blame this one on the camera. She should have let that person keep going. And she probably knew it merged into one lane. So what is she trying to race by her for? Let her go. You got a cam, but when the police get there, that's all your fault. And both of you are gonna get a ticket for reckless driving. You better hope they don't want to call the cops on this one. Don't rush them, just let them wait. Stop being impatient. Let them take their time if they want.
No, asshole. Damn. No, I missed that light. We could have went earlier.
It's a red light. Oh no! Oh my gosh. Well, that is totally on this driver in front. What was that? And you got your friend with you? Yeah, you know you messed up. That was dumb. That was dumb, dude.
Hello.
Cut into the lane and then brake check him. Come on. Got you on camera. Straight to jail. Oh, you're gonna brake check a semi truck? Do you not know that all semis have a dash cam? What are you doing? For real, stay safe out there.